This is an installation video for the best ear savers to replace the rubber ear savers that are on corn heads today. The package you will receive will have quantity of 2 rows. They will have 4 strips of brushes and a package of clips to install your brush ear savers. To install them, we have to form them to our snoot, and to do that, I just bend it over my knee or in a vise. Right there isn't too bad. You can bend it a little more to fit better. And I already installed the clips on this row. Slide them over your brush ear saver. And try to snug them up a little bit. Make sure during installation, when you raise the snoot, the bottom of the brush does not come into contact with your gathering chain. That's where it needs to be installed. That one was a little low. Raise it up a little bit. And tighten it down with the clips. Sometimes you might need to get a pair of pliers and hang on to it to get it to stay straight. On some models, you may need to modify and shorten the brush to fit. To do this, use bolt cutters or a pair of dikes so it pinches the end when you cut it. To recap, we do use the same holes that the rubber ear savers use that are on your combine. And on some models, you need to take sharp scissors and trim right down the middle of the row so they do not overlap. Thank you.